Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a full review on the WISHFUL Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub by HUDA Beauty. Yes, HUDA Beauty has brought out skincare, which I'm so excited about. I feel like this is a long time coming, but the only thing I am annoyed about is that she's only brought out one product so far. I'm like, come on HUDA, bring me more, give me all the skincare. But yeah, one step at a time, I guess, for her. I have already tried this product once before, so this is going to be my second time trying it, and it's advised that you use this product once or twice a week. This is new in my skincare routine, so I'm going to let you know how I get on with it and how I feel in terms of using it on my second time, because I feel like when you use something just the first time, it's like, okay, like you'll know whether you like something or not, but you won't really see like effective results. So using it the second time, I'm going to let you know how I get on. So enjoy the video. Guys, I don't want to waste any time. I want to get into putting this product on and showing you exactly how it works and talking you through it. But I need to get it on ASAP because I've showered, washed my hair, dried it, all of that. And I have clean, dry skin, which is how you are meant to apply this product. So just imagine my skin has been dry for ages with nothing on it. And I'm like, oh, and I need something. So let's just get started. I'm just gonna clip my hair back real quick. First up, this is what the bottle looks like. It does come in a box as well, and you get 100 ml of product in here. It's got a little screw cap, and it's just a normal tube that you would squeeze the product out of. I'm just gonna, dot this around my face. I don't think I need that much. That should be enough. And then you just want to rub this into the skin. And I like doing circular motions just because that's gonna really help get everything like off. And this is quite an interesting product. It's a scrub that doesn't feel really rough and tough on your skin. It's super gentle. This is exfoliating, evens out the texture on the skin, and it also smooths your skin as well. That's the kind of purpose for this product. And you can see like instantly within seconds, it's got like all of these almost like flakes. I'm gonna take it over my lips as well. This is so gentle that it does work really nicely over your lips. So this product claims to gently buff away dead skin cells and impurities. So it's meant to just get rid of that first top layer that's just sitting there collecting dust on our skin, which it does, and then leave us with shiny skin underneath, our fresh skin. The way that this product does this as well is because it has AHAs and BHAs in there. And if you don't know what AHAs and BHAs are, they are acids which are great for your skin, for texture, smoothness, all of that kind of stuff. I think I'm done, like that's enough. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of a damp cloth and wipe off any excess. And I forgot to mention the smell of this product is so amazing. It smells of pineapples. It smells like really kind of soft and tropical, but the smell for a Huda Beauty product is not crazy intense. It's not like, you know, the foundations that she's brought out in the past. It's nothing like that. It's just like a slight scent, but it smells really nice. So this has pineapple enzymes in there, papaya enzymes, AHA, BHA, like I said, and it also has cellulose in there, which I'm going to talk you through in just a minute. So yeah, it's really that quick and simple. I've got it on and got it off all within a couple of minutes. So if you wanted to add this step to your skincare routine, it's so easy to do. And it's actually recommended to do this once or twice a week. If you have super sensitive skin, I would advise you just add something new into your skincare routine only once a week, see how you go, and then you can slowly build it up to twice a week. Before I get on to the next stage of my skincare routine, can we just take a minute to appreciate, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but there is like a slight natural glow to my skin, which is really lovely. My skin definitely does feel smooth, which is nice, and I actually hate really aggressively scrubbing my face. I don't feel like, oh my god, I have the most, like my skin is looking moisturized kind of glow. It looks healthy kind of glow, which is good enough. This is only the second time I've used this, so I'm pleased with that. And I feel like this is one of those products that as you use it more, you're gonna see more benefits and more of the effects of it. So as for my second time, I'm impressed. So now that that's done, I'm just going to finish off my normal skincare routine and then we can get into little facts and figures and all of that about the product. I usually will always start my day after it's been cleansed with a vitamin C serum. This is just the Sunday Riley one. There are so many vitamin C serums that I love. Oh, maybe I'll do a video on all of my favorite vitamin C's. And then I'm just going to get some moisturizer on. This is just the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. You can use any that is suitable for you. Literally just go about your normal skincare routine after putting this product on. Okay guys, so my skincare routine is complete. Now we can get into this, but first things first, I just want to say, if you're not already following the Wishful Instagram page that Huda Beauty's got for her skincare brand, you need to. I feel like it is so different to her makeup page and it is so informative in terms of like skincare information. So yeah, I'm totally going to steal the information on there right now. She has a whole post on the difference between AHAs and BHAs. So AHAs, they dissolve and exfoliate surface dead skin cells. They're also best for dry and normal skin, and it also helps to stimulate collagen. What AHAs are amazing for and really known for are brightening dull skin and evening skin tone and texture. Then BHAs, on the other hand, they penetrate pores and dissolve excess sebum. They're best for oily and acne prone skin. You go right here. It helps to reduce inflammation and is antibacterial. And then they're also amazing for acne, whiteheads, blackheads, and rosacea. And it's also really good for detoxing pores and treating milia. So that's the difference between AHAs and BHAs. And of course, this product has got both of those in there, which it's basically tackling a whole lot. It's literally doing a whole lot. So it is actually suitable for all skin types, which is amazing. And this product is vegan. The product also does actually claim to help with acne scars and dark spots too. So I believe that would happen over some time. I don't think there's a product out there in the world, and if there is, hook us this up, because dark spots. I don't think there's a product out there in the world that instantly gets rid of dark spots and acne scars, but this might do it super quick. Again, this is my second time using it, so I do like it. It does give me the glow and it is super gentle. All of those things are great, but I can't tell you long-term effects right now. I forgot to take my hair down. So guys, in terms of price for this product, it does actually retail at £34, and yeah, that is quite expensive. 100 mils, £34. You are going to only use it once or twice a week, so I can see it lasting you a long time. You know, it is Huda Beauty products, so they ain't gonna be cheap. Especially where I feel like a lot is going into the products in order for it to be like so active where it's gonna work. It's not going to be a cheap product. Do you know what I mean? So far, guys, so good. I do actually like this. It doesn't irritate my skin whatsoever. Super quick and easy to add into your routine. And it genuinely does leave my skin feeling really soft and smooth. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to see what other products she has coming out. I'm so intrigued. I'm like, come on, bring me the skincare, because I love skincare. But I feel like right now, this is all I can tell you on her skincare. I like it. It's doing what it says it does so far, and I know over time, the more you use things, they're just going to get even better. So definitely check this out. Let me know if you are going to be trying this product. I want to know your thoughts on this. It will be so interesting to know. So leave them down below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed this review. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and get me on the gram at Anchal. And I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.